Hi, so this short video is just to walk you through an example of looking at how to read SPSS output for correlation and regression, and a similar example for chi-square test for independence. Alright, so the first question that you're going to need to answer on the assignment is you're going to be given a correlation test here. So this is one I just made up. You've got two variables, numeric 1 and numeric 2, and according to this correlation matrix here, the correlation between them is 0.874. So that's a strong positive correlation. So that's the first thing you're asked to do. The second thing is to do the test to see if the population correlation differs from 0. And that's what this number here is. This sig two-tailed is the p-value. So you would first state the hypotheses. H0 is that rho equals 0. H1 is that rho is not equal 0. And the p-value is 0.000. And so you would take the test from there. You would state your conclusion. The next thing is the regression equation, and so that's in the coefficients table, and what you're looking for here are the unstandardized coefficients. So 0.519 is the constant term and 0.063 is the slope. So your regression equation would be y equals 0.519 plus 0.063x. And that's all you really need to do for correlation and regression. Alright, so the next problem here is a chi-square test for independence. And the first thing I've got here is the frequency table, the cross tabulation. This is the observed matrix here. So you've got two variables. One is categorical 1, and it's got two values, 0 and 1. And then there's another variable called categorical 2, which has 4 values, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And so we see here these are the frequencies, 4, 4, 6, 6, 5, 2, 3, and 0. Here where it says Pearson chi-square, right here, this 3.214, this is the chi-square test statistic. And where it says asymptotic significance, that's just the p-value. So 0.360 would be the p-value. So for this output here, you would state your hypotheses. H0 that the two categorical variables are unrelated. H1 that the two categorical variables are related. You'd state your test statistic, that chi-square is 3.214, and you'd state your p-value, that p is 0.360, and then you would take your conclusion from there. Alright, so keep in mind that this is just an example. The actual output that you'll be looking at is in this file here called SPSS Assignment 5. Alright, and let me know if you have any questions.